Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of modern yet timeless wooden decor design ideas that speaks with soul, elevates any home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Random woodworking crafts, those spontaneous, imaginative creations that emerge from intuition, curiosity, and the natural character of wood, hold a unique power that few other art forms can match. These pieces are not bound by rigid rules, predetermined patterns, or strict design formulas. Instead, they arise from the maker's genuine connection to material, mood, and moment. And because of this freedom, random woodworking crafts so often result in pieces that feel both modern and timeless at once, blending contemporary simplicity with the enduring charm of handcrafted tradition. In these creations, the maker's personal voice shines through, transforming every object into more than decor. It becomes an expression of identity, emotion, and the beauty of natural imperfection. What makes these random woodworking projects capable of reaching such artistic depth is the nature of the material itself. Wood carries history. A knot in the grain, a scar in the fiber, a curve shaped by years of growth, all these elements open creative doors for the maker. Instead of forcing wood into a predetermined design, the creator lets the wood speak, guiding the form in unexpected ways. This intuitive process allows the final piece to reflect both the uniqueness of the material and the personal choices of the artist. In a world filled with mass-produced decor, this individuality makes handcrafted wooden items feel alive, resonant, and emotionally meaningful to the people who bring them into their homes. Random woodworking also thrives on the interplay between simplicity and character. Modern design values clean lines, functional shapes, and calm visual balance. Wood, on the other hand, brings warmth, texture, and a sense of nature's imperfection. When these two qualities merge, through small shelves, abstract sculptures, minimalist candle holders, rustic modern trays, or artistic wall pieces, the result is a design language that feels both fresh and enduring. It offers the serenity of modernism without losing the soulfulness of handcrafted work. This duality is what makes handcrafted wooden decor feel at home in any environment, whether a sleek apartment, a cozy farmhouse, or a nature-inspired living room. The maker is not simply building an object, but shaping an experience, one that enhances the space by adding warmth, authenticity, and visual storytelling. One of the most powerful aspects of random woodworking is how it invites personal expression. Unlike traditional furniture making, where measurements, angles, and repeatable precision often take center stage, freeform crafting can be playful, emotional, and intuitive. The maker may decide to highlight a natural curve, follow the flow of an irregular edge, or preserve a bark texture that would normally be trimmed away. Every creative decision becomes a signature, reflection of what the maker sees and feels in the moment. This spontaneity gives each piece a personal imprint, like a fingerprint of creativity. And buyers feel this. People recognize when something is made with sincerity and artistic freedom, and that authenticity is what makes these pieces stand out in the world of modern decor. These handcrafted creations also form a bridge between maker and buyer. When someone purchases a random woodworking piece, whether a carved bowl, a unique wall art piece, or a small functional decor item, they are not simply adding decoration to their home. They're inviting the maker's story, imagination, and craftsmanship into their daily life. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The object becomes part of personal rituals, a tray that holds morning coffee, a planter that nurtures a favorite plant, a sculptural piece that sparks conversation when guests visit. Every time someone interacts with the object, they experience the quiet presence of the hands that shaped it. This emotional connection is one of the reasons handmade wooden items continue to grow in popularity. People don't just want beautiful decor, they want meaning, connection, and uniqueness, qualities that random woodworking offers naturally. Another reason these crafts feel timeless is their relationship with nature. Wood has a grounding presence. It softens sharp, modern interiors and enriches warm, traditional spaces. The organic textures and patterns remain appealing across generations, unaffected by trends that come and go. While metal, plastic, and synthetic materials can quickly become outdated, wood retains its charm and relevance because it carries the essence of the natural world. When makers craft freely with wood, not trying to erase its imperfections, but embracing them, the result is decor that feels honest and lasting. A handmade wooden bowl or wall art piece may sit in a home for decades, admired not because it's new, but because it continues to feel right. Its beauty grows over time as it becomes intertwined with the memories and environments of the people who live with it. In the modern design world, this timeless quality is incredibly valuable. Homes today are curated with greater intention than ever before. People want fewer but better items, pieces that bring comfort, inspiration, and harmony to their environment. Random woodworking crafts perfectly meet this desire. They balance artistic irregularity with functional minimalism, making them versatile enough for multiple interior styles. Whether the object becomes the focal point of a room or an understated accent, it contributes character without overwhelming the space. This balance between statement and subtlety is one of the reasons random handcrafted wooden decor remains so sought after. The process itself also brings emotional fulfillment to the maker. Working with wood encourages mindfulness. The slow rhythm of sanding, shaping, carving, and finishing becomes a form of meditation, an escape from the hurried digital world. Each creation demands presence, attention, and respect for the material. For many artisans, random woodworking becomes a personal journey, one that deepens their understanding of creativity and self-expression. The satisfaction of seeing an idea evolve through their hands into a finished piece is deeply rewarding. And this joy translates into the work, making the final piece feel vibrant and sincere. In the broader landscape of woodworking, random craft projects contribute something essential: the freedom to explore without boundaries. They encourage experimentation, innovation, and risk-taking, qualities that often lead to unexpected breakthroughs in style and technique. Many popular modern rustic designs, minimalist art pieces, and organic-shaped decor items originated from spontaneous woodworking ideas, not rigid plans. When makers allow themselves to be guided by curiosity rather than perfection, they discover new ways to shape beauty, and these innovations ripple throughout the modern design world. Ultimately, random woodworking crafts possess a rare ability to unite modern aesthetics with timeless appeal. They enrich homes by adding warmth, meaning, and artistic presence. They empower creators to express their voice through natural materials. And they offer buyers pieces that feel genuine, soulful, and uniquely connected to nature. In a world hungry for authenticity and beauty, these handcrafted wooden creations stand as a reminder that true artistry doesn't always come from precision. It often comes from intuition, imagination, and a deep respect for the simple, enduring beauty of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern yet timeless wooden decor design ideas that speaks with soul, elevates any home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.